Hello Moscow, this is Mортен Stroksnes speaking to you from his home in Norway. I'm the author of this book. It's a non-fiction book. It's called The Book of the Sea in English at least. Subtitle, The Art of Catching a Huge Shark from a small rubber boat on a big ocean through all 4 seasons. It goes on, I'll show you, because in my home I have this map on the wall. It goes on exactly here, in the beautiful, famous for its beauty, archipelago of Lofoten, on the small island of Skrova. As you can see, it's in the north of Norway. Here is Finnmark, here is the White Sea in Russia, Kola Peninsula. Have you ever noticed that the Kola Peninsula looks like the head of a horse? It does. So this place is a character in this book, and also my friend Hugo is a character, and is some sort of character, I can promise you that. He's an artist, he lives in this island of Skrova. He's also a fisherman, and he's been seen experiencing everything, fishing for everything, seeing all sea mammals, doing all sorts of crazy stuff through 50 years at exactly these waters. But there's one thing he never saw: the mysterious Greenland shark. He heard his grandfather talk about it, his uncle. They fished after this shark all the way up to the North Pole, because the liver is so rich. The liver can be used for many things, like everything from painting to lubrication, but one interesting thing also for nitroglycerin. So during the First World War there was a huge demand for this shark. In the old days, sometimes people in Norway, they used to eat it, the flesh, and if you didn't treat it in the right way, you would get what they called shark drunk. There's something in the blood or in the meat of that shark that can make you hallucinate and go crazy. Think about that. And also the skin was sometimes was used or exported to Germany for industrial sanding paper. That's a Greenland shark. Hugo, and you got me. I'm not really a character in this book. I'm more like your friend and observer and the writer, of course, bringing you through this universe. Let me compare it to the Divine Comedy of Dante. Hugo will then be Virgil, who shows Dante through the underworld, and that makes me Dante. How fortunate. Well, all of us are characters, this place, Hugo, me, the shark, but the main character of this book is the ocean. It's trying to approach the ocean from all sorts of angles, science, different marine sciences, poetry, being on the ocean, fishing for this shark, art. It's trying to be open because the sea is open, and in some sense, everything. History also, of course. So, when I was asked to do this presentation, or they asked me specifically to tell you about my relation to the ocean, and that's a big and long topic, but in my book I compare it, the deep sea, to space. And I was thinking of one of my favorite single recordings I have. It's actually this one. It's the first it's recording first recording from space by made by Yuri Gagarin, and I will play it for you because it describes pretty well how it feels like for me to think about. It's an existentialistic book, but also a very concrete book, to be on the ocean, how it feels to be on the ocean, and how I imagine it to be down there at the deep level. Look at this place, the Earth. It's 70% water, and the depths are sometimes thousands of meters. It's shouldn't have been called the Earth, it should have been called the ocean or planet. Let me play this record for you. But on the way, I will show you something. This is a painting of the shark made by Hugo. Did I mention that he's also an artist? I'm not sure. But that's what it is. He's an artist in everything he does. So, let's play some. Let's play the feeling of being at sea.
В те исторические минуты, когда космический корабль «Восток» совершал свой полет с первым человеком-космонавтом Юрием Алексеевичем Гагарином над нашей планетой, между Землей и космическим кораблем была установлена двухсторонняя радиосвязь. Слушайте голос первого в мире космонавта Юрия Алексеевича Гагарина с борта советского корабля-спутника «Восток».
First recording from space, friends in Moscow. I wish I could be at the festival. Hope for better times and all this shit goes away. Have a nice festival. Thank you. Enjoy and bye bye.